Hi everybody, welcome back to part 14, I think it is, of my Prestwick model railway. Bit of modelling today, so bit of a mess everywhere. It's a dull day outside, so a nice day for it. What have we been doing? Static grass. Been using Harvest Gold and a mixture of that and light green, and I've been doing this area just at the back near the golf course, just over the bridge there. And just a few layers of grass just to get it going, and there's a little golf cart path or whatever it is you want to call it, just at the back. And also had a go at doing this area. It took me a few days to do this. It's quite fiddly. I used a mixture of what we got. Briar patches, thicket bushes, and yellow gorse. And just try to kind of mangle it all together so it looks real. And I've also added a few rusted rails at the side there, as per the real thing. And I've been hacking away with my trusty 3-in-1 polished iron cutter. An amazing tool. I've also set up this extra area here leading up to the bridge. I've been cutting away at it here. There's going to be a bit of a retaining wall there and a bit of graffiti. And it goes down to about that area there. So the interesting thing about this layout for me is a lot of layouts have hills and stuff, whereas as in real life with this one, it's kind of set in a little gully, and the trains are almost hidden some points. It makes for a bit interesting. So from a distance when you're driving past, you'll only really see that. So yeah, coming along nicely. I used this stuff here as a bit of a base to plant all the rest of the stuff. Where is it? It's like rubberized horsehair. You just peel away at it and stick it down. Now because that was on a bit of a curve, I had to actually, before gluing it, I tacked it down with some track pins, because otherwise it was just going doing and popping back up. So a couple of track pins all over to hold it in place while the glue set underneath. Just a bit of wood glue. And then after a day or so, stuck fast, and then I could get to work on the rest of the scenery, which is coming to life. I do like that Harvest Gold, because I'm trying to model like a nice summer's day, and I think it just looks nice with the background of the blue. And I think that's about it. Oh, and if you're building up your grass, you can get stuff like, where was it? I bought that layering spray, but it comes out all over the shop. So I resorted to level 5 freeze hold hairspray. So when I've done a few layers, I just a couple of bits of hairspray on it, builds it up just nice. Because sometimes when you've got a delicate bit done, you don't want to be spraying all sorts of wood glue all over the place again, making it messy. So I use the old hairspray. It does the trick. So yeah. Getting there. Obviously polyfilled wee bits here where the polystyrene had mixed together, just to kind of blend it in a bit. Well, that's about it. See if we'll get time for a horn before the video runs out. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.